Yo, y'all know what it is, you know who it is. It's your boy Zoo from the Eclectic Electric Transport. Thank you for coming down. Appreciate you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You can also find me on Bars on Instagram. Today, little light work, little drone footage, just trying to figure these whole camera angles out. But definitely, I appreciate you.
I got it now, though, baby. Yeah, what the street been professional hood shit. My niggas, let's do it. 6 shots out of the Westin, so much purple, a drought is out of the question. Blow your heart out of your chest then, lay low in the Trump duplex down on the West End. Focus on what I invest in, got married to marijuana, yeah, and the connect is my best man. Even though the game gon' change, it's the same old thing. Most of my cash came off cane. I'm in the 645 nigga with deuces, white pipe, late night creeping with 2 deuces. Old head told me can't save money, you useless, and all you gon' ever have is excuses, boy. What the fuck y'all think I make music for? And I'm about to get a gallon of water. My man on lockdown, gonna flood the island with quarters. Move work from Denver to DC like Porters. OT the whole winter, see me like August, and I still rip a nigga beat like I bought it. And they say it's my time, so I'm glad I caught it. My bars could be smoked in the pipe or snorted.